Alright y'all, we got a 2022 year model BOBCAT T66 R series 2-speed machine, cab with ice cold AC, got the premium dust touch screen display. I believe it's got a 72-inch bucket up front. It is plumbed for the hydraulic BOBTACH, but somebody has taken the cylinder off. So it does have all your lines ran all the way up there. All you need to do is put a cylinder on it, and then you'd have a hydraulic quick attach. Tracks are in good shape, undercarriage is in good shape, bucket's in good shape. It's got auxiliary hydraulics up front with a front electric hookup. Y'all, this thing's quiet. Joystick control. That one light, LED light is out. 2,450 pound operating capacity, 74 horsepower, turbo diesel. Nice radio in here, y'all. Connect your phone. Check that out, y'all. This thing is nice. 3,100 hours. If y'all are in the market for a 9,000 pound skid steer, y'all come check it out right here. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. Southern Equipment LLC.com. Also, y'all, it's got the optional counterweight kit in the back. Thank y'all for watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.